cowboy. I'll wear a cheap painted straw hat. I got a fake 6-gun, but I got a real baseball bat.
New York is a lot of work. It just is. Going to the grocery store here is a lot of work. You know, everything's a lot, and you have to work a lot to pay the rent and pay all your bills and stuff like that. The rents here are very high. But there's so many rewards. You can go out on a Tuesday night and there's 100 different things to choose from to do. There's bands playing everywhere. There's jazz, there's country, there's Chinese music and Russian music being played somewhere. There's Arab music and Jewish music being played somewhere. There's something to do all the time in New York. There's so many opportunities and so many things to learn and to see. In the short term, I would like to make my living just playing music, so I don't have to do anything else. In the long term, you know, live comfortably, see the world, buy my mom a car.
Oh, when the